Hi everyone, good morning. Our mind is like a mental factory. And whatever you think about all day long, it pours as an ingredients to our mental factory. So, ibig sabihin, kung anong nilagay mo sa isip mo, yun ang mag-work. Either negative or positive. Example, can you imagine dumping a bale of trash on your mind? In our mental factory every day, and the result are coming out a rich dynamic result or a positive life. Can you imagine that? It can't be done. Why? Because what you put inside is what you can get out. So, kung ano yung pinasok mo, yun din ang lalabas. Yun din ang magiging result. Kung nagpasok ka ng dump of trash sa utak mo, ganun din ang lalabas sa'yo. So, hindi siya pwedeng positive. It's a negative. That's why we have to decide what goes into our mental factory. Don't let anybody just dump anything they want into your mental factory, because you is the one who live with the result of what you input to your mental factory. So you have to be very careful what people you choose, what kind of people around you, what kind of thoughts you put it into your mind. So you have to be very careful. So if you want a good result, if you want a rich dynamic result, you have to put into your mind a positive thought, not a dump of trash. So kung ano yung naririnig mo, ano yung nababasa mo na hindi makakatulong sa mental factory mo, kailangan mong mag-decide kung ano yung ilalagay sa mental factory mo. You are the one who decide, because you live that life. So if you are around by people who treat you dumb trash, who treat you not worthy, leave that person, because the important is how to live your life, because you are the one who live your life, and you have to be very careful of that. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God.